Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at the Dorman oil plug remover kit. This was purchased recently to help with oil changes on a Ford Ranger Raptor because it has the infamous plastic oil drain plug. So let's go ahead and open up the box here. And you get a nice plastic case. Now inside the case, open up the latch. What we have here is a little 3/8 inch T-handle. That's not very exciting to me, but what we have over here are three different adapters, if you will. Take a 3/8 inch adapter. You got a hex, and then you've got a slotted cross, and then you've got a, we'll call this an I-beam shape there for removing that. But this one right here is going to be the holy grail, that at least that I'm interested in. So just for reference, I keep an extra one of these Ford plastic drain plugs on hand, and we'll go ahead and open up one of these right here. So then with the drain plug, what we can do is we can take our T-socket here. Now you notice how it's slotted on the long way and on the side direction. We're going to actually go 90 degrees to this, go across the middle of the drain plug. Then now we can turn it either with a 3/8 inch socket, or we can use a wrench. And if you opt for the wrench option, you're going to need to reach for a 17mm wrench to be able to seat this in. And then you can go ahead and turn it, whether you want a regular wrench or you want a ratcheting wrench. That's up to you. You probably actually want a ratcheting wrench, to be honest with you. And then you're good to go to be able to remove the plug without having to fidget with your fingers. Just put it on there and give it a turn with your wrench to be able to break it free, or a ratcheting socket wrench. 3/8 inch drive, pretty simple. Now we'll take a look at this in action. I'm going to use the Dorman oil change socket here. Take a look at another video about this, and we will stick this on. Remember, it's going to go 90 degrees here. Let's give it a little twist. Now be careful, the oil may be hot. And there we go. There's the flow of the oil out of the pan. All right, so now after having used this oil plug kit a couple of times, first things first, I'm not really sure that I care much for this plastic case. I think I'm going to throw that away and put these on rails in my toolbox. The one that I care the most about is the one here for the Ford plastic pan. And that actually works great. If I could have bought just this standalone socket, I think I would have. That's really all I needed. The T-handle here, I honestly don't care about. I mean, I guess it's nice to have, because if you had to throw this kit in the glove box to do a quick oil change on the fly, now I don't know why you're doing that, but hypothetically you would have everything you need right here in lieu of a socket. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Might throw this away, might toss it. But really for me, this socket right here is the moneymaker. And the other ones, I suppose I'll keep them, because you never know what's going to turn up that you might need one of these other sockets for, particularly this I-beam or I-style socket. And so is it worth the money? Oh, absolutely, especially for this socket here to give me the peace of mind to easily remove those plastic drain plugs on Ford products. I wish Ford didn't use that style drain plug, but I can't change that. All I can do is change the tools that I use when I'm working on my vehicles. So if you're interested in something like this, I'll put a link down below where you can pick up a kit like this for yourself. Questions or comments, put it down below. We'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. Bye.